Now, we've been using Bradley vertical smokers for a long time now as our real workhorses in the backyard when it comes to smoking proteins. And this is their P10 model, and I just wanted to share some of my thoughts and experiences having used it over a ton of cooks at this point. We've done traditional barbecue like ribs and pork butt. We've done fish like smoked salmon, steelhead trout. We've also done some apps like smoked bacon mac and cheese, jalapeno poppers. We've even done some more random cooks like meatballs or homemade bacon, which is another incredible one. So how does this smoker work? Well, first off, it's an electric smoker. And with this dial and control system here, you can actually set the cook temp. You can set how long you want your cook to run and how long you want the smoke to run over the course of your cook. So you don't have to worry about babysitting a fire if you've got an offset smoker. You really just set it and forget it and leave the hard work up to the smoker. Now the smoke comes from these little biscuits and they come in a wide range of flavors. I mean, they've got applewood, maple, hickory, alder, post oak. There's just a ton of options, and they impart just a tremendous amount of smoky flavor into your cooks. Now there's a bunch of features that I've really enjoyed about the Bradley beyond its simplicity. Firstly, you've got 4 racks in here, and they're 14 by 16 inches. So you get 224 square inches of grilling capacity across 4 different racks, so you've got a ton of room. Secondly, we just finished up these jalapeno poppers, and just look at these guys. That color is ridiculous on the bacon. Can't wait for these to cool down so we can do a taste test. Insulated chamber here, so if you're doing cooks in colder temperatures, you don't have to worry. This is able to maintain temps. And on the temp range here, this goes from 130 Fahrenheit all the way up to 320. So there's a pretty wide temp range. So that's been our experience. Now, if you're in the market for a smoker, I definitely suggest you check out the P10 model by Bradley Smokers here. It's a great value smoker. And personally, I've just had an absolute ton of fun using it and cooking for the family.